I'm really hoping that she doesn't drop her lawsuit.
Why would she?
Because she's on a false victory tour.
They are going to use all the explosives that they...
Is she suddenly abandoning those two most pertinent claims?
They can come up with on, I think it's June 23rd or something like that, which is the deadline.
Obviously, Blake Lively's team does what they always do, and they accuse them of engaging in a publicity stunt, saying they don't need this. They want the motion to be completely squashed.
Justin has hit Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and her publicist Leslie Sloan with a $400 million loss.
And you will then be compelled to share this information.
It goes back and forth a lot on how she is like so happy and so like she doesn't care in photos, going on red carpets on SNL, baking donuts, and then the next moment it's like, oh, she's sad and she regrets things, and then the next moment she's like, oh no, she's doing this she's carrying this burden for all the...
Adam Monsheen, who appeared alongside Blake Lively in It Ends With Us, claims the movie star mischaracterized their scene together in her bombshell sexual harassment lawsuit against Justin.
Blake Lively's carefully constructed world is collapsing in spectacular fashion, and the people she trusted most are leading the charge against her. What began as a private legal dispute with Justin Baldoni has erupted into a full-blown Hollywood scandal, exposing a web of alleged corruption that reaches far beyond the courtroom. The once untouchable star now finds herself abandoned by allies, betrayed by her husband, and facing potential federal charges, all because she thought she could manipulate the system and walk away unscathed. The cracks in Blake's facade started, showing when her seemingly decisive court victory raised eyebrows among legal experts. Judge Alan Lehman's abrupt dismissal of Baldoni's most damning claims about financial impropriety and creative control violations smelled suspicious from the start. But the real earthquake came when Ryan Reynolds, her husband of over a decade, posted that devastating Instagram story. Justice isn't a Netflix script. Directors don't cast judges. Those 11 words blew the lid off everything, exposing what insiders claim was a carefully orchestrated scheme to rig the case in Blake's favor. At the heart of the scandal is Judge Lehman's brother Noah, a Hollywood director with suspiciously timed financial windfalls. Paper trails reveal his consulting firm received a mysterious $1.2 million payment from entities connected to Blake's team just days before the controversial rulings. Even more damning are the testimonies pouring in from former insiders, like Diane Renaers, the judge's ex-assistant who claims she overheard incriminating conversations and witnessed document shredding. Meanwhile, Blake's own crisis PR team at Fenwick Collective has turned against her, leaking internal messages that suggest they knew about the judicial misconduct all along. The fallout is unfolding like a Hollywood thriller. Baldoni's legal team, armed with what they claim are explosive audio recordings of Blake discussing financial maneuvers, is pushing for federal intervention. Netflix has quietly scrubbed Blake.
Mr. Reynolds was a key player in the scheme, defaming Justin around Hollywood, strong-arming WME, their agency, into dropping Justin as a client and trying to destroy Justin's career however possible.
I was blocked by Ryan Reynolds. Yes. Predator Pool himself blocked me. I don't know when he blocked me. I don't know if it's when I exposed on X what happened with his daughter in Deadpool and that abhorrent things that they made her do.
The heart of Friedman's complaint is the $400 million figure, which he argues.
From upcoming projects, and industry insiders whisper that major brands are reconsidering partnerships. Most devastating of all is Ryan's apparent cooperation with investigators. Sources say he's providing evidence that could sink Blake's defense. What began as an attempt to protect her reputation has backfired spectacularly, leaving Blake isolated as the walls close in around her. The scandal has exposed the dark underbelly of Hollywood power plays, where justice can allegedly be bought and marriages sacrificed for legal advantage. As federal prosecutors circle and Baldoni's team prepares their next move, one thing is clear. Blake's perfect life was built on foundations far shakier than anyone realized. The queen of calculated image control has lost control of the narrative, and the very people she counted on to protect her secrets are now the ones exposing them to the world. In Tinseltown, where perception is everything, Blake Lively may have just lost the only battle that truly matters.